Go.
Scientific ABCs for colorblind children. Autotroph. An autotroph is an organism that makes its own food. Pretty little flowers. They have red petals, but you can't see them. Biotic. A biotic factor is anything living in an environment, like a caterpillar and a leaf. They both are living. Carnivore. A carnivore is an animal that eats only other animals. DNA. DNA is the genetic material in every living thing. It looks like that. Environment. The environment provides the basic support system for all life on Earth, including yourself, little children. See, there's a little stream for water, little house. Oh, well, not house, but tree. Food chain. Food chain shows energy movement within a community. It can go from the grass to these little guys to decompose it, or you get the little rabbit, little bunny, hops up to this owl and gets eaten. Gene. A gene is a basic unit of heredity.
Huh?
It's a small section of DNA. Heterotroph. A heterotroph is an organism that has to eat other organisms. Like a fish. It can't make its own food. It has to eat other little fishies or algae or anything else. Invertebrate. An organism that does not have a backbone is an invertebrate. Like a butterfly, it has no backbone.
Got no bones.
What color is it?
James Watson and Francis Crick. Watson and Crick discovered DNA was a double helix. They're very famous for that. And I drew somebody saying like, the answer is double helix. I agree. Kingdom. Kingdom is one of the taxonomic groups. They include Animalia, Fungi, Plantae, and others. Lichen. A fungus that grows on an autotroph is a lichen. It's on there, just sucking up like a mooch. Mitochondria. The mitochondria is like the powerhouse for cells. It makes the energy for it. And that's what it looks like.
What color is it?
It's green. But you can't see. Natural selection. In natural selection, nature selects which species will thrive best due to their adaptation. You can't really see it, but these are white and those are black. They could read the package better. Omnivore. An omnivore is an organism that eats both animals and plants. Like a little raccoon. They're so sneaky. They get both. Predation. Predation is when one organism eats
Come on.
eats another organism. The mouse is just going along its way, and out comes a hawk, about to kill it. Qualitative. Qualitative is any information having to do with how something looks. Well, you can see with your eyes, like tall, for instance, like a tall giant, or like a short little midget. Reproduction. When an organism or organisms make new organisms or organisms, it's called reproduction. These are symbols. You guys don't know anything about that. No. Symbiosis. Symbiosis is the interaction of two organisms living together. Like you seen Finding Nemo. He's in there. Look at that. You remember that movie? I can see. Because you're colorblind. Trait. A trait is a characteristic of an organism. Like unattached or attached earlobes. You all have traits. Unicellular. If an organism only has one cell, it is unicellular. Prokaryotes are unicellular. Vaccine. To help you fight infection, you get a vaccine. And it gets a shot into your bloodstream. Water cycle. The water cycle is when water goes up to the atmosphere, comes back down to Earth, and goes back up. It's a circle. It does that.
Why not a square?
Like precipitation. It can be rain, snow, or I don't like the other word because I always pronounce it wrong. But hail.
What about sleet?
Sleep too. Yeah, there you go. Different forms of water, and it goes back up. Comes back down like that. X chromosome. A chromosome that will result in a female if paired with another X chromosome. They look like this. What looks an X? Y chromosome. The only chromosome that can make a male is the Y chromosome. You get it from your daddy. That's how you came to it. And you.
I don't got that.
And you. Or you're a girl or something. Zygote. Zygotes are two sex cells joined together. They are the sperm and the egg. Okay, if you saw a heartbeat, you finally into an egg.